Hi there, welcome back and welcome to a new Photoshop tutorial. We are going to continue introducing the transform tool that are very useful in Photoshop. Firstly, we are going to stay working with this image. When we select the transform tool or the Ctrl T on our keyboard, and when we right click on it, we have the scale option that we already talked about in our previous video. We have the rotate, so it purely rotates. We have the skew also. Skew is going to skew like this. If you hit grab these corner up, corner pins, I can skew the image and you can go side to side. Now let's open a new image to work with, to discover the other transform tools. We have this picture, the coffee and the book. Distort is a very useful transform tool when I'm creating mockups. Let's copy this Photoshop logo, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl Tab and Ctrl V. To put it on the cover of the book. Now to put it, we are going to use the Distort option by firstly Ctrl T, right click, Distort. You can grab these corner points and drag them to the corners of the book. And you can zoom in to do it perfectly. Okay. Now to make it real, we have to change the mode to maybe the darken mode. Or the multiply mode to appear more real book. Wherever you want to skew, distort and do all these things, you by double click on it to get out from the transform. Don't do that until you're absolutely done, because when you go back because if I hit now Ctrl T, my these quarters are not on the corners. They are no longer in the corners. It always create a rectangle shape, as you see, a rectangle shape. They are not meeting the corners of the book. See, and here and here too. So don't do that. Don't exit the transform tool until you perfectly transform your object. Now let's go to other transform tools. Let's go open a new picture. This girl wearing a t-shirt. We are going in this case we are going to put the Photoshop logo on the back of the t-shirt. So let's copy it, Ctrl V, Ctrl C. Let's scale it at first. And now let's right click and go to warp. Warp gives you a grid with multiple points. I can take those lines and drag. Let's hit enter. Now let's change the mode to make it appear more real, although we can give it more transformation. Okay. One more option we want to explain in this tutorial is the perspective transformation. Ctrl T and perspective. This is the perspective transformation. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you like it. If you aren't subscribed yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get new video updates.